Where did Eliana go? Eliana? Eliana? Are you in there? Eliana? Where are you? I think I see you. I see you. Eliana, did you put yourself behind the couch in that little nook there? Mama, what did she do?
She got behind there. She likes to climb in there.
Well, we're both elves.
Daddy and Eliana are both
Come here, elf.
little elfies tonight.
Oh, you're stuck.
Oh,
I'm sorry, elf.
Daddy got you all out
From one
there.
elf to another, I'm sorry.
Daddy got you all out of there.
You like that?
Wow.
Look at Mama. Say hi, Mama. Hey, guys. Hey. You were stuck right there. You were stuck. Daddy got you out. Now you're free. Oh, I want to go back
Daddy,
there, Mama. All right,
So
we'll
cute.
let her go back.
Okay,
Bye.
bye. Back to your little hideout. She goes straight back for it. Happiest girl ever. Oh. Oh.
Peekaboo. She likes.
Where's Eliana?
Oh, there she is. Here's that little elf.
He's a cute little elfie.
Where is she? Where'd she go? There she is.
Yay!
She's our little peekaboo elf, huh?
Yeah, she's really cute.
All right. Bye, Eliana. Bye.